The cybercrime unit of Delhi police arrested Bengaluru-based climate activist Disha Ravi for allegedly sharing the infamous toolkit related to the farmers' protest against centre's farm laws on social media. The police have alleged that Disha Ravi was the one who shared the toolkit document with Swedish environmental activist Greta Thunberg, and that she is a key conspirator in the formulation and dissemination of the document that indicates a copycat execution of a conspiracy behind the Jan 26 violence. The Delhi police said in a tweet, "She started WhatsApp group and collaborated to make the toolkit document. She worked closely with them to draft the document." Another tweet said, "In this process, they all collaborated with pro-Khalistani Poetic Justice Foundation to spread disaffection against the Indian state." They added that Disha Ravi later asked Greta to remove the main document after its incriminating details accidentally got into the public domain. The Delhi police added, "This is many times more than the 2 lines editing that she claims." Who is Disha Ravi? How is she associated with Greta Thunberg? Disha Ravi is a 22-year-old graduate from Mount Carmel College in Bengaluru. She is a part of a climate activist group called Fridays for Future, which was started by Greta Thunberg in 2018. Disha Ravi started the India wing of Fridays for Future in 2019 and heads the organization in the country. The activist had also coordinated various campaigns across India on climate change. She also organized protests in Bengaluru on climate issues and wrote in different media across the world on adverse impacts of climate change. What motivated Disha Ravi? Her motivation to become a climate change activist came from watching her grandparents, who are farmers and struggle with the effects of climate change, she said in an interview to Auto Report Africa in 2020. In an interview to Hindustan Times, Disha Ravi's friend said she was very vocal about her views on climate change and the issues she felt about strongly. What has Disha Ravi been booked for? Disha Ravi has been booked for sedition, promoting enmity and criminal conspiracy over her alleged involvement in the toolkit being investigated by the Delhi police. A court on Sunday remanded the activist to 5 days in police custody. What is a toolkit? A toolkit is a social media document which explains an issue and action plans. Greta Thunberg had tweeted it while she extended her support to the ongoing farmers' protest. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology had earlier told Twitter that the toolkit was proof that a strong social media campaign was being planned outside India and Twitter was one of its platforms for mobilization. Meanwhile, support continues to pour in for Disha Ravi. The Samyukta Kisan Morcha, former Environment Minister Jairam Ramesh and several activists from across the country on Sunday criticized the arrest of the 22-year-old climate activist. The Coalition for Environmental Justice in India called the Delhi police's action sinister, as there is no disclosure about her whereabouts. It released a statement signed by at least 78 activists from across the country, which said that the Delhi police's action can be termed as extrajudicial abduction.